Talk. Only a doctor can pronounce a man dead.
All if you're 14 and you look 7, refers you as big man, you can get gunshot.
Well, all you, me not care if you are 9. Gunshot in your blood clot. Let's go.
Sound like a waste, man. I stop like my fool come from, you know, a lie.
No. Now deal with country badness. Me live close to you, motherfucker. See? You now run the file. And you say you a killer.
Never tell her that.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, me are telling you, you know, what them say, popular TikToker, Niah, from the Niah-Gang, my people, was killed right and live while upon TikTok live, my people. Video, everything released with Niah, my people. And all I can say, my viewers and subscribers, me telling this, you see TikTok, Jamaican TikTok, my people. Honestly, I know see a lot of people have benefited from this thing, my people. But it a cost a lot of people to set up them own self. It a cost a lot of people feeling a problem. It a cost a bag of things, my people. It's a curse thing upon the Jamaican society. And me a talk truth, my people. It have the fishes them out of the ocean, my people, that swim around like everywhere. You understand? It give the fishes them a whole heap of highlight, make them not care them do anything them feel like, my people. You know what I mean? It's just a curse thing when me look upon it to the Jamaican society, my people. It not do nothing good, you know, for the culture, you know. Honestly, my people. This thing I make, yo, if you look upon this thing, my people, right? Look upon this thing is a distraction to society, my people. It seem like a thing will come for destroy the youth, them, you know. Alright, back to basic NEWLINK, attacking boss. Niah-Gang, my people. I see that youth ya pan couple videos well. You see me? I see him in a back and forth argument with other TikTokers and them thing there. I see him behave, I see him move, my people. And the way how him look, I talk truth, my people, look like a real gangster. You see me? Real street youth.
Hey you, don't scroll. Love not gonna know it, dog. Loyalty is key. Believe in the youth. Me say a girl might love you and love 4 of these man and give you pussy. But as long as she have loyalty in her and she tell us, say, yo, you know, say, you alone a fuck her. Remember, believe that. Say, you alone a fuck her because the loyalty she use. Hey, you man tell her, bro, comment believe if you know, say, facts me at all. Believe no, man.
You see me? And when I see him on the TikTok live, you know, the first time, I say, yo, so the way the youth talk, the way him behave, you understand, and the way you move and in an argument with other people. Is this a joke thing, like in a back and forth argument with other TikTokers who claim them a bad man and them can't do things and them know if you find you and this and that? Is this a joke thing to just match, like, you know, them have the match and make money, or is a real thing? Because number one, you know, people, you can't say it's a gangster, you know, and beyond them live something here, you know, my people, we are show up location and show up exactly a spot where you're there, you know, my people. Remember, you know, and if you say you is a gangster, you know, my people, you know what I mean? You cannot be on live and this people and this and when you know say a serious thing, you know, my people, because this is how Jamaican work. You have a whole heap of person out there where you call them hit person. And all them need is just some money for angle where them want angle. You know what I mean? It should never be like that, but it's just reality where we are living in a society right now. You see me? As me tell the people, Niah-Gang, Niah, The way how me see the youth move, my people, the way how him behave, you understand? To me, he's a real gangster. You know what me I say? And a real gangster, nothing depend them thing, yeah. Me a talk truth, my people. Now I say you can't, but depend live on a match and a this and a that. Because a whole heap of people, I see him in a vibe with my people. Whole heap. You see, anything when money involved in, and I thought this thing the other day when I was covering a story about another TikToker. Anything when money involved in my people, they're going to be a problem. They're going to be jealousy. They're going to be bad mind. They're going to be envy. They're going to be hate. They're going to be 1% thing in my people. You understand? So when I say Niah-Gang now, my people, depend in life, what them say? And this happen and sat.
Don't fall in love, don't fall in love. If money no dey, don't fall in love, don't fall in love.
You know, my people, December the 7th, sometime up in the evening I was there. You know what I mean? He was on his life, my people. And as you can hear, we a person said another piece of thing that my people, he was on his life. And somebody attack to him, you know. If I see that person there, I say something, and me it's a setup, you know. Big setup go on, you know, my people. Big setup go on, you know. This thing was planned out for him, you know, my people. You see me? And trees, you hear blap. You hear moaning, you hear bawling, you hear crying, you hear everything, my people. You see me? And that is it, them finish him. I have saw a video with the same youth Niah, my people. And he was doing his TikTok live. And I see him bridging friend of the era where him live and him catch up in an argument because basically the bridging like him and say, yo, we don't want him panning live in a video in place and stuff. And it cause a big thing. And where the bridging that, you know, a serious thing, them argue, you know, my people, and he might, yo, and he must say the bridging bad mind because the bridging not live nowhere and this and that and one heap of thing. And them no want to say youth live and them no want to say youth strive and all heap of something. And his same friend them, Niah friend them was there with him. And them a tell him, say, yo, no pay him no mind and this now, you're not following up your life and make your money and this and that. And you know what I mean, my people, but he bring a big thing. I've seen another video with him, with a youth named Akeem. And him and Akeem catch up in a some serious argument on the TikTok. And Akeem brother got involved. One heap of something. And then threat start spin. And them a make him know, say, yo, we can find you. It's easy to find you. You know what I mean, the people? And you know, honestly, my viewers and subscribers, I was watching those videos. And I say, wonder if this you take these things serious or him don't know how the things set up right now. I say, as me tell people, me I think, they must have do this for some clout thing. They must have do this for some joke thing. Or just some match thing to make some money. That's what me I say, because if this really serious people, him for know so yo, things can go the other way. Nothing lightly in Jamaica right now, my people. Because yo, I don't know my people, but as I said before, the TikTok thing, bro, is an evilous thing in our society in Jamaica. It's an evilous thing. And I joined TikTok the other day, you know, my people. You know why I join it? I join it because fans are asking NEWLINK, join the app. You see me? Join the app. And if you join it, but me not gonna do certain things, you know, me talk truth, you know. To gain no fame and no recognition, you know, because YouTube me thing there, you know, my people. And when nobody no left on YouTube or watch it, you know, yes, my thing there, you know, this build me, you know, this start me, you know. So me can't dash it away, you know, me can't be ungrateful to YouTube and Google, you know. And this build me, you know, my people, me talk truth, you know. And my thing this, you know. You see me? But me join the clock up the other day because people are saying, so we still do it and we still post a few things today and thing, you know what I mean? But as me say, certain things are not going to see me forward and I do pan.
Like me, the on the app, I try also to gift. Me can't get no gift cause Biggie that Pops YG and Church Out World Ashley, they're on live. Eh? Biggie that Pops, say that sister Jaden do not get that. The amount of man over time spend dig out that they get the belly, you fucking idiot, yo. You have sense? Boy? Have sense, boy?
Yes, sir. People, the app, the clock, when me tell about the clock app, if you go China where this bill, where this create, my people, is a different version of clock app you see. You cannot see nothing like what we are see yes upon our thing. You see me? You can't. For them thing is a more educational thing, a more beneficial thing to the youths, them, to society. But where we have yasa deal with my people is a different thing. Sodom and Gomorrah, one heap of my people, one heap of abomination pan it. One heap of crosses. One heap of leech. When me looking over there, me a pray this and me say NEWLINK a do back to school treat. NEWLINK try to seek some help for people towards the treat. Not one donation, not even 1 penny. And everybody know me thing legit when me a do them thing. And me see how easy people can go up on the clock up and turn people in a, you know what I mean, superstar. Feed all the fishes them. Get the fishes them where drown and save the fishes them where drown. The fishes them where the ocean are dry upon them, then fully back of water give them. And me I said, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. People now live for God again. People are live for the devil. Or the devil. Because see a man who are do good enough me people for the younger generation like me. But then they rather help out. You know what I mean? Some demons and crosses who are come and a cuss and a behave and a skin out and a go and certain way and a this and a that and a flick and a jump and a tap. Listen, my man, I attack for you, you know. A straight attack for you, you know. A straight attack because you know so distracted, yo. You not remember Jah. You not remember the Almighty. What go on with you know? God is the real deal. God is the real thing. We cannot forget that. We cannot be lost and get tricked. You understand? We cannot live in a certain things. You see me? So even though I'm going to the closure of this video, my people, I'm going to tell them say, you need to wise up. And the youth, them need to start make some changes. Bro, I see a lot of man on Tik Tok, I say them a gangster and them a this and them a that and them a gang this and gang that. But you know, see, I not say it work. You cannot expect something in a gangs and a few that you want to change in your life and then no forward want to make money on the clock up. I want this, I want that. Because at the end of the day, bro, I still war. It's a Tik Tok war, I go and see him, you know. All I have to say, my people, R.I.P. to the youth, Niah-Gang. And may his soul rest in peace if it can. That's all I have to say, and it's truth. And I hope so them can do some real investigation and find out who is the perpetrator behind this and they can brought forward and put to justice. You see me? It's a sad situation. You know what I mean? We can't celebrate no man downfall or the killing of nobody, my people. We don't want that. You see me? But all I have to say, yo, we have to learn, my people, what we are living at today. It's a different time, yo. Stop being distracted, people. Wake up, wise up. Remember the attacking boss telling that. But people big up on yourself when they want to day in this world, you know. Anyone that they big up on yourself. I'm thank you all for the love, for the support, for the share, the comments. Yes, I big up the whole England massive. I say my fans to my England are real out. Yo, people, what more want to know? Comment which part in the from, which part in the base. If you're Jamaican and base somewhere, please comment where in the base. Big up on yourself. And I have to put the exact address like the street number and the house number. Put on the base. My base at New York, my base at this, my base at this, England, Barbados. Big up on yourself and the one of the world. And but more I know my fans, them base, yo. Big up on yourself, my people, and just do the right thing, my people. Do the right thing. And don't trust nobody. Me always tell them, don't trust nobody, my people. My fans, my viewers, my subscribers, don't trust nobody. You understand? Stay safe, stay blessed, and just do the right thing. Remember to do like, do share, do comment. Follow me on Instagram and X and the TikTok app. You understand? Facebook, Snapchat, all social media platform. And if you want to give a contribution to the channel, please do check below, my people. You understand? We also have super chat. Check below, my people. We also have, you understand, a PayPal link. You can contribute and give a support, because when you support the attacking boss, it's support to go to back to others. You see me? Be safe, my people. R.I.P. Niah-Gang. R.I.P. Niah. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. I'm out.
Yo, I'm not telling no lie. Swiftly so bad. You see it? Yeah. But me now go here, you see it? Yeah, your white friend alone away that dog. You see it? Big up yourselves.
Yeah, to all like cap up and buckle up or whatever, get up every day and sit down at one corner, dig big out in the hand, nigga. I see a man a swing sledgehammer. I saw me I go swing my sledge in your bum buckle, girl, and your pussy. Less than nothing, batty boy, better get up and go work. Pussy, deck in the morning.